Looking for the best space heater for small room? But what product are out there, and how do you choose? I've made this a little easier for you, by covering one of the best space heater you can currently find on the market. If you are looking for a reliable and highly effective space heater, the Atomi Smart Wi-Fi Portable Tower Space Heater fits that desire perfectly. Features an impressive whisper quiet 1500 watts PTC ceramic heating technology, warms the surrounding air to 70 degrees in 2 seconds flat. Another cool thing about this model is that it responds to simple voice commands given through Alexa or Google Assistant, so you can operate it hands-free whenever you need. You'll also love the sleek slim frame that helps it fit aesthetically and spatially practically anywhere. Here are the specifications of this great product. Here's why we think this model is the best value product. And this is our ratings for this product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.